This is question 3 on problem solving from section 1 of the 2019 ECAA. So we're given 5 different commuting routes in 5 different countries. We're given their length in kilometres and their cost to the commuters as a percentage of their monthly wages. Therefore, on which of these 5 routes do people spend the lowest proportion on average of their wages per kilometre? And so what parameters from this table are we looking at to work out this proportion of wages per kilometre? We're going to want to look at the cost divided by the length of the route. And of course we could do this exactly and work out all the direct percentages, but this would take quite a while. Obviously this is a time pressured paper, so we want to save ourselves as much time as possible. So maybe it's best to just start by looking at the unsimplified fractions and seeing if we can eliminate any of them just by inspection. So firstly, for Luton to London, we've got 14% of their wages divided by 56 kilometres. That's a proportion of wages per kilometre. So that gives us 14 over 56. There's no need to simplify it for now. Then let's just compare that directly with the next one down. So 8 over 69. Can we eliminate one of these? Well, we can see 8 over 69 has a smaller numerator and a larger denominator. So we know it's definitely going to be a smaller proportion of wages, so we can get rid of this first one. Let's do the same thing with the next one down. 6 over 75. We know must be smaller than 8 over 69 because, again, a smaller numerator and a larger denominator. Let's keep going. 6 over 72 versus 6 over 75. So we know the one with the larger denominator will be the smaller one, so we can get rid of this. Then finally, we have 5 over 46. Now this has a smaller numerator and a smaller denominator, so it's not quite as obvious as the last few. So let's maybe work out what these are roughly equal to in fractions that we can compare. So 6 over 75 is fairly similar to 6 over 72, which would be a 12th. And 5 over 46 is near enough to 5 over 45, which would be a 9th. We know a 12th is smaller than a 9th, and therefore, with this reasonable approximation, we can get rid of this one. So our answer is Karis to Helsinki, with the lowest proportion of wages per kilometre. This corresponds to an answer of C.